Hi, I referenced this sheet earlier in class about causation and these true-false statements, and I wanted to take some time to go through them in a way where I didn't have to spend a bunch of class time. So just really quickly again, when given these questions on the SAT-2 subject test, the process is you evaluate the validity of the first statement, true or false, second statement, true or false. If and only if they are both true, you can bubble in the yes or no for the correct explanation, indicating that the second statement explains the first. So the possible answers here, I want a pencil. The possible answers here are true, true, correct explanation, true, true, not correct explanation, true, false, false, true, and false, false. Those are the only 5 potential outcomes. These are the outcomes. These are the only things you are allowed to put when answering these questions. I need to drop this down. Nope, I need to drop down the other thing. I'm going to get back to a hand. So I'm just going to scroll down to these questions. We're going to answer the first 5. I'll go through them kind of quickly, and then we'll do the second 5 when I don't need the pictures. So if I were doing this, picture A represents a compound. Yep. All atoms are the same element. Nope, because I see some are filled in and some are not. I don't even need to get to the cause of the correct explanation. Oh, sorry, and I should mention, I took this picture straight from a SAT subject test answer sheet, so this is what it will look like for you. B is a mixture of compounds. Yep. Compounds have a set ratio of elements. Yep. That doesn't tell me why it's a mixture of compounds. It just says that that's what's true of compounds. A is a mixture. Nope. Mixtures have indefinite compositions. Well, that's true. I mean, the ratios can vary. A is a pure substance. All molecules have the same proportion of atoms. So, yes. Something that happens in these true-false questions is sometimes you can't really evaluate the 2 statements separately because sometimes it's like the second half of a sentence, which is the case here. It's like you read the whole thing as one big sentence. Picture A is a pure substance because all molecules in picture A have the same proportion of atoms. So I think that one is actually a good example of one that is a correct explanation. B and C are not pure. True, they are not pure. Logic is hard. B and C can be broken down by physical means. Well, yes, because they're a mixture. And so that's the hidden thing behind both of these. They're not pure. They're a mixture. They can be broken down by physical means. They're a mixture. So I would say that's a good because. And then moving on to these bottom ones, sometimes you will get these correct explanation questions without any pictures to refer to. Ripping paper is a physical change. Yes. Paper is classified as a mixture. Yes, I'm pretty sure paper's a mixture. It's been bleached, there's some pulp in there, but the pulp isn't all the same size. But that has nothing to do with ripping being a physical change. Burning's chemical. Yes. Chemical changes are irreversible. That's actually false. Some chemical changes are reversible. If you are confused about that, well, burning paper is a chemical change. That does get undone. It's through a different pathway, but that's photosynthesis, is the opposite of burning. A mixture of liquids can be separated by distillation. Yes, because different liquids have different boiling points. Yep, and that's why, because that's how distillation works. Sugar and water can be separated by filtration. No, we know that sugar dissolves in water, so the particle size is too small. But filtration does work based on particle size. That's how these problems work. Hopefully I got through these 9 problems in a little less than 42 seconds a problem, but then again, I'm explaining it, so I should take a little bit more time to do that. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.